Hello everyone. If you are applying for the job but not getting calls from the recruiters, then the problem is not always the skills. Most of the time, the problem is your Naukri profile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create the Naukri profile and optimize the Naukri profile step by step so that recruiters can actually find you and call you for the interview. I'll show you what are the real skills that you need to add into the Naukri profile, as well as what is the important aspect that you need to consider. Also, I'll show you real profile. This is my demo profile. I'll explain everything by using my own profile so that you understand it practically. This is not a theory session. This is a totally practical demonstration of Naukri profile optimization. So let's first understand one thing. Naukri is not just a website where you can apply for the job. It works in the two way. First is for the job seeker, it is job searching platform, and for the recruiters, it is employee searching platform. Because we are applying for the jobs which are uploaded by the recruiters, and recruiters do need the candidate, do need the best candidate out there in the market who is applying for the job. So that's why it works in the two way. Recruiters do not manually check every profile. They use the search filters and keywords to find the right candidate. As we use the keywords and the experience and the location for filtering the right job for us. For example, in my case, I will add Salesforce developer. Let's say I can add multiple like Lightning, Apex, LWC, etc., etc. And I can add the experience as well, right? I'll click on search. I will get the relevant jobs. Similarly, the recruiters will also get the relevant candidates through the filters that they have. So, whenever you create your profile, you should think like a recruiter. Recruiter do not manually check every job, as we are not checking manually one by one job. So let's make our profile searchable so that recruiters get eye on our profile. That is the first and most important thing we should consider before creating the profile. Now I will show you something very important. Let's open the few openings on the Naukri. One by one, I'll open the few openings. Random openings I'm opening, guys. So nearly I have opened 5 openings. What are the common things we have in the opening? Job description, job title, location, then we have job highlights. In the job highlights, we have the description in the short, then we have long job description, then we have other details like employment type, department, industry type, then the role, education, key skills. This key skills section is very important. So every job has key skills, required technologies, right? And some keywords in the description. For example, Salesforce developer, Apex, LWC, SFDC, Salesforce Lightning, etc., etc. If you observe each and every job have a job highlights, this job matching score also, right? So similarly, as we can see here, job matching score is there. Similarly, recruiters will see the candidate matching score, right? Similarly, we are able to see the key skills required for the job. Recruiters will able to see the candidate's key skills. So we need to act very strategically. Now, what recruiters do, right? These keywords or these job headlines, right? Recruiters use same keywords to search your profiles as a candidate. So if profile does not contain these keywords, you will not appear in the search. So this is very important concept in the Naukri. Naukri works like a search engine. So just like a SEO in the Google, you need to optimize the keywords, optimize these keywords in your profile. Now, the question is where to optimize it, right? Now, to optimize the keyword or to just have the best possible use of the keyword, recruiters or Naukri has given us a different section in our profiles. Let's move to the most important part. I will show you the section, each and every section in our profile. So I'll just view and update the profile. First of all, there are few things that we need to consider. Here I have not added the photo, but you must add the photo because the Naukri, the score should be 100%, right? If we are not having 100% score, it will not verify us. We must have verified phone number also, right? As this is a demo profile, I have not put the photo as well as I have not used the phone number. Now the first thing recruiters see is a this particular section called as immediate joiners. Let me show you. Right here we have a notice period, right? If you have a less notice period, there is a possibility that you are getting a more calls. Okay, now one by one I'll explain the section. First section is resume section, second is resume headline, third is key skills. In the key skills we can add multiple skills. Okay, right? Now these key skills are needs to be similar to these key skills in the job profile. Okay. After that, we can add this key skill in the employment as well, right? There is a sections, skills used. We must add the skills here also. Okay. After that, there is a section called IT skills. Here also we can add the same skill, maximum with the maximum experience. Then in the projects also, if you can see, there is a section called key skills or skills used, right? Here also we need to add the skills, right? Everything is a skill, guys, right? If you have maximum skills in your profile, you will get a lots of call, right? If you do not have the skills, then your profile will not shown to the recruiter, and hence you will not get any kind of calls, right? The most important section is the skills section, this key skill section, right? We must add all the relevant skill, use all the keyword into a resume headline and the job description as well as employment description as well as projects, right? Instead of using only for example, instead of using only Salesforce keyword, add Apex, LWC, REST API, SOAP API, Automation Studio, etc., etc., right? The summary should be short and quick, readable, right? Also, to get more and more call, you must update your profile regularly, right? If you are not updating your profile, right, then the chances of getting calls will get lesser. Why? Because recruiters will see first latest updated profile, not the general profile, because the profile which has a lots of activities, right, depending on the activity score, right, recruiters will able to see the active profiles. Okay, now these are the sections, very important sections that we have. Next is the performance, your profile performance or analytics. Now let me show you. Whenever recruiters click on the profile or do any action with the profile, for example, we have opened this job role, we have opened this job role, open job in TCS. That is the action by the employee, or that is the action by a job seeker. Now, if recruiter is taking any action on your profile, then actions can be divided into Naukri profile viewed, contact viewed, resume downloaded, invite sent, and profile bookmark, right? Now, these actions are very important, right? The number of actions you have higher, the possibility of getting calls is also higher. It is directly proportional. Now, depending on the search appearances means, right, whenever, for example, if recruiter is searching for something, right, we are able to see various candidates, right? This is called the search appearances. Now, if you observe the search appearances properly, right, if you click here, right, I get the keyword based search appearances. This will prove that the Naukri works with respect to the keyword filter. And the more the keyword that we have in the profile, the chances of getting search appearances will be more, and hence you will get a lots of calls, right? So if you can see, right, these are the keywords, right? I appear 106 times as a Salesforce developer. Means whenever someone search for the Salesforce developer keyword, I appeared 106 times in the last 90 days. Whenever someone search Salesforce, I appeared 82 times in the last 90 days, right? Whenever someone search Apex, I appeared 59 times in the last 90 days. So this is very important, and activity level is very low because I am not active on this profile, right? Last I updated this profile 9 months ago. From the line 9 months, I don't have any kind of activity on the profile. But if you are applying regularly, then you need to be active on daily basis, right? Before ending the session, there are some important tips. Update your profile on daily basis, keep adding new keyword, apply regularly, then complete your profile 100% to get more call. And always remember, consistency is the key. So if you follow these steps properly, you will definitely start getting more recruiters call. If you found the video helpful, then make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. If you want more content on the Naukri, if you want me to perform entire optimization process, profile optimization process in the live, just comment in the comment box. I'll try to spare the time and make the entire video on Naukri profile optimization. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.